How to fix image thumbnail not showing on your folder in Windows 7. So okay guys, yung lab to do is here, computer. So for my example, I'll show you a folder with image not showing the thumbnail. Okay, so to fix this is a very simple solution for your problem. So okay, follow me. On the upper left side on your screen, okay, go to organize, and organize, select the folder and search option. Okay, click this, and folder option on menu, click the view. Here in advanced settings, in files and folder, you can see the always show icon, never thumbnail. Okay, here the always show icon, never thumbnail is checked. Okay, you'll have to do to fix your problem is uncheck the always show icon, never thumbnail. After you uncheck, click the apply button, and that's it. We have successfully fixed the image thumbnail not showing on your folder in your Windows 7 PC. And okay, that's it. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell for more video. Okay, thank you for watching.